You may remember this house from my House Hunters episode, but you definitely aren't going to recognize it. In fact, when I first toured the property with the sellers, the husband was concerned his wife would want to renovate the entire thing if they bought it. Turns out, he was right. Come along with me as we tour this incredible property that's been totally renovated. It's on almost 3 acres of lush tropical land here in Naples, Florida.